Now let's say we want to remove the yellow background from our mouse cursor. We go to the start and then write how mouse pointer looks. We select this one, we go to the pointer. From here you will see that the normal select is not the one that we previously had. So what we do, you go to browse, you go to computer, Windows, and from here you go to cursor. So you see over here you've got the cursor. Double click on this one. From here you can select various kinds of mouse cursors that are already available. Let's say we want to select this one, the default one. So we select this, open, apply, okay. So now you can see that we are back to our default mouse cursor. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel.